America wasn't built in moments of comfort. It was built when everything was falling apart. The streets were quiet, too quiet. Store windows were dark, factory gates were locked, shoes were worn thin, and hope felt even thinner. Across America, ordinary families woke up every morning not knowing if they would eat that night, not knowing if tomorrow would be better or worse. This was the Great Depression. But this story is not about banks collapsing or stock markets crashing. It's about people. A father sitting at a kitchen table, staring at empty plates, hands rough from years of work that suddenly meant nothing. A mother whispering prayers late at night, hoping her children wouldn't notice the fear in her voice. Teenagers leaving school behind to help their families survive. Neighbors sharing bread, not because they had extra, but because no one should starve alone. America was hurting. In cities, factories shut down without warning. In farming towns, the land itself turned against the people. The Dust Bowl swept across the heartland, filling homes with dirt, burying crops and choking dreams. Families packed everything they owned into old trucks and moved west, chasing rumors of work and dignity. Every mile was heavy with uncertainty. Survival became an act of courage. Men stood in long bread lines, hats pulled low, pride swallowed whole. Women stitched and restitched clothes until fabric gave out. Children learned early that hope doesn't come easy, but it matters. And yet, even in the darkest moments, something refused to die: the human spirit. Black and white photographs show tired faces, but if you look closely, you'll see it: determination in their eyes. People helping strangers, communities rebuilding piece by piece. Americans discovering that strength doesn't always roar, sometimes it whispers, "Keep going." Then came a turning point. Not a miracle, not instant relief, but a choice. America chose not to give up. New ideas began to rise. Public works put people back to work, building roads, bridges, schools, and hope itself. For the first time, many felt that the nation had not forgotten them, that they mattered. But more powerful than any program was what happened inside people. They adapted, they endured, they believed. Families learned to value resilience over wealth. Communities learned unity over isolation. The idea of the American dream was no longer about quick success. It became about perseverance. And slowly, the silence lifted. Factories reopened, farms recovered, children returned to school. The nation stood back up, not because it was easy, but because it had to. This moment reshaped America forever. It changed how the country viewed responsibility, fairness, and compassion. It reminded the world that America's true strength was never just its economy, but its people. And that lesson still matters today, because the struggles of the past echo into the present: economic uncertainty, job loss, fear of the future, the feeling that you're falling behind while the world keeps moving. Sound familiar? The Great Depression whispers to us across time, reminding us that hardship is not the end of the story, that progress is often invisible while it's happening, that the people before us faced impossible odds and still moved forward. They didn't know the ending, they just refused to stop. So, when life feels heavy, when progress feels slow, remember this: America has been here before, and it survived, not through comfort, but through courage. History is not just something America remembers, it's something it lives every day.